Alright, here it is, all done. Here's the final walk around. It's like pigeon crap city on the trailer already. Thank God I put the stickers on right away. Testing out the trailer. Shifting the farm wall. Not the best shifting tractor. Payloader. What's wrong with me? Now this one's more for like the brochure. This is what you'd see. Gotta have the big payloader, but you only put like a quarter of a bucket in there. Then you watch the payloader lift it up super high, and then watch the payloader dump it from the sky. Tough trailer. There was a small pile of sand here, and I dumped it here with a dump trailer, and it could not dump it. It was a 14,000 pound dump trailer, and I had to scoop quite a few scoops out with my tractor, and then it would dump just fine. This pile of concrete mix here, I dumped that here with a dump truck. That's about, it was 10 yards, and then I've used, I don't know, maybe half of it, and then just the way it's flopping out makes it look less. But I dumped most of that sand from the last dump trailer into here. Everything looks okay so far, and we'll give it the old try out. All right, moment of truth. Got it all opened up, got it backed up. Will it dump it? Like it's not even on there. Ha ha ha! Well, that sucks. Good thing I spent all that time painting just for the sand to pull it all off, but I don't know. Looks like it's got plenty of angle. I should go measure that. I'm gonna do this. All right, now we gotta zero it. Now let's put it down. 46.9 degrees. Oh, I was shooting for 45. That was really close. After seeing that, I don't even know if you'd have to go to 45. Huge payloader, dump it into my dump trailer and go. Tough trailer. Thanks for watching.